Welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting this space for the first time, you are also highly welcome. In this lecture, we'll be looking at the differences between bone and cartilage. If you try to use this image by the side, this is where we have the cartilage here, highlighted in yellow, while the remaining region of this structure is the bone. We would be comparing the differences between these two structures. Before we dive into highlighting the differences between the bone and cartilage, let's try and look at the similarities between them. These two structures are both connective tissue, and they are seen to be made up of cell and also extracellular matrix. They are also classified as a specialized type of connective tissue. They are specialized because they have specialized cells and also specialized extracellular matrix. By the time we go through the differences between these two structures, we would be highlighting these in details. They are also seen to provide support and also movement of the body. Bone is seen to provide the structural orientation of the body, and it is these bones that also form joints where movements are exerted. The cartilages are also contributing to the process of supporting and also movement. And they do this by lining the articular surfaces of bones where they form joints. This is where they help to cushion the joint and also help to allow for easy sliding of these bone tissue that are seen at joint. So you see that the bone and also cartilages contribute to supporting and also allowing movement to occur. So now let's drive through the differences between these two structures. Bone is a hard, inelastic, and tough tissue, while cartilage is soft, elastic, and also flexible. Bone also provides the structural framework of the body. It is onto the alignment of bone that the muscles are laid upon. Cartilages are seen to provide cushioning and also padding effect. And this is where they are seen to line the surfaces of articulating bones at joint. They are also seen to form the structural orientation of some structures or organs in the body. And this is where you see them in the nose region, the ear region, the larynx, and also in the trachea. You see that in these structures, cartilages are seen to form the structural orientation of these organs. Also driving further, bone is seen to contain bone marrow, and this is not seen in cartilage. Also, the outer covering of bone is the periosteum, while the outer covering of cartilage is perichondrium. Bone is also seen to be richly supplied. So you have vascular network present in bone tissue. And this is also the basis why bone has high healing potential. If you look at cartilage, they lack blood supply. And this is why you do not see vascular network within them. And this is also the basis why there is low healing potential of cartilage. Bone is structurally made up of organic and inorganic matrices. So it has an organic component and also an inorganic component. The organic component is made up of cells and extracellular matrix, while the inorganic component is made up of minerals. While in cartilages, it is completely made up of organic matrix. So you see that it is made up of basically the cell and the extracellular matrix. The mineralized deposit that is seen in bone is not seen in cartilage. And this is why bone appears to be hard. Also, the growth pattern of these two structures are different. The growth pattern in bone is bidirectional. The growth pattern in cartilage is unidirectional. This means that the growth pattern in bone occurs in two directions, while the growth pattern in cartilage occurs in just a single direction. If you also try to classify the different types that we have, for bone tissue, we have the compact and the spongy types of bone. While the cartilage, we have the hyaline, the cartilage, and also the elastic form. So you see that they also occur in different forms. So this is a tabular presentation of the differences between bone and also cartilage. And in case we are asked during examination, this will be easy for us to highlight. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you find this video useful.